Hello friends, I A.S. Agrawal, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department, Sandipani Technical Campus, Latur. Today's topic is static indeterminacy of pin-jointed plane frame. Now, learning outcomes. After watching this video, student will be able to understand the concept of degree of indeterminacy, and also the student will be able to calculate the degree of indeterminacy of pin jointed plane frame. Now, the types of the structure. First one is the determinate structure and second one is the indeterminate structure. Now the definition of determinate structure, the structure which can be analyzed only by using static equilibrium condition is called as determinate structure. Now which are these static equilibrium condition? That is the sigma fx equal to 0, sigma fy equal to 0 and sigma m equal to 0. It means what? If any structure which can be analyzed only by using these three conditions, then that structure is called as the determinate structure. Now, next the degree of static indeterminacy. The definition, static indeterminacy, also known as the degree of redundancy, is the a number of additional equation other than static equilibrium conditions to analyze the structure. It means what? The additional equations which are required other than the sigma fx, sigma fy and sigma m equal to 0. These additional equation is known as the compatibility equations which are required to determine the unknown forces. So now degree of static indeterminacy are the two types. First one is external, second one is the internal. So external indeterminacy is related to the support and internal indeterminacy is related to the member force. Now take a pause. The question arises in the mind, how to calculate the external static indeterminacy of pin jointed frame. So note down this question and find the answer and check with our answer. Now, how to calculate this external degree of static indeterminacy? That DSE, that is equal to simply R minus 3. So what is here R? R is the number of reactions. Then internal degree of indeterminacy, that is the DSI. The formula is M minus in bracket 2J minus 3. So what here? M is the number of members. What is the J? J is the number of joint. Now why this J is multiplied by 2? Because here each joint is a pin joint. So having the two reaction sigma Fy, we can apply here the two conditions, that is sigma Fy and sigma Fx. That is why here the J is multiplied by 2. And here M is multiplied by 1, but that doesn't see because you 1. So why this M is only the M, not 2, not 3? Only here because in the case of the pin jointed frame, each member is subjected to only the axial force, not the shear force and not the upbending moment. Then the total degree of static indeterminacy, that is the DS, that is equal to degree of external static indeterminacy plus the degree of internal static indeterminacy. So here the formula is for DSE R minus 3 and for DSI is M minus in bracket 2J minus 3. So here expand this bracket here 2J minus 3. So R minus 3 plus M minus, here expand this bracket. So 2J, this minus becomes a plus. So plus 3. So 3 gets cancel out. The final formula is M plus R minus 2J. So now we will calculate the DSI of the following these structures. Now this is the frame ABCD pin jointed frame here. The A support is a hinge support, D support is the roller support. Now the formula for DS, that is equal to M plus R minus 2J. So here These are the reactions. At A joint is the two reactions, HA and RA. At the D joint, that is the only the vertical reactions. So R is equal to 3, HA, RA and RD. So M is equal to 6, this member AB, member BC, member CD, member AD, then member AC and member BD. So M is equal to 6 and the J is equal to 4, A joint, B joint, C joint and D joint. So put all these values into our formula, that ds is equal to 6 plus 3 minus 2 into 4. 6 is the member, 3 is the reactions and here 4 is the joint. So here ds is equal to 1. Then next problem. Here the both A and D joint are the hinge joint. So here we are calculating here separately the external indeterminacy and the internal indeterminacy. So the reactions are the 4. At the joint A is a hinge support, that is why 2 reactions. At joint D is a hinge support, that is why 2 reactions. So HA, RA, RD and HD. So here DSE, that is the external indeterminacy, that is equal to R minus 3. So R is the number of reactions, A 1, 2, 3 and the 4. So 4 minus 3, that is the 1. Now the internal static indeterminacy, that is the formula is M minus in bracket 2J minus 3. M is the number of member, that is the 6. AB member, BC member, CD member and AD member, then AC member and the BD member. And the J is 4, A, B, C and the D. So put this value into our formula, that is DSI, that is equal to 6 minus in bracket 2 into 4 minus 3. So that gives the value 1. So total ds, that is 1 plus 1, that is the 2. Then next, this is a frame A, B, C, D and this is the E here. Now here A support is a hinge support and D support is the roller support. Here the total static indeterminacy, that formula is in bracket M plus R minus 2J. Now here the reactions are the 3 reactions. At A is the 2 reactions, HA and RA, and the D is only 1 reaction, that is the RD. So here M equal to 3, HA, RA and RD, and M is equal to here number of member, that is 8, AB, BC, CD, AD, AC and the BD. These are 6 members, then this CE and the DE. So that becomes the 8. Then J is equal to 5, A joint, B joint, C joint, D joint and this is the E joint. Then ds, that is equal to, put all this value into this formula, M is equal to here 8 plus R is equal to 3, so bracket complete, minus 2 into number of joint is the 5, so here ds is equal to 5. Then next problem here, this is having the 3 support at A, at F, at E. So here the formula of total static indeterminacy, that is equal to M plus R minus the 2J. So here we will look for the reactions HA, RA, REF and RE. So 4 reactions here. So here R is equal to 4. Then M is equal to how much? 1. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and the vertical is the 9. So here M is equal to 9. So AB, BC, CD, DE, EF and AF, then AC, then CE and the CF. Joint is equal to 6, A joint, B joint, C joint, D joint, E joint and F joint. So put this value into our formula, that is M is equal to 9 plus R is equal to 4, bracket complete, then minus 2 into the number of joint, it is 6. So this gives the ds is equal to the 1. Then this frame, this is having the 3 support A, C and the D. So A is a hinge support, C and D are the roller support. So here we calculate the external and internal separately again. So here first is the reactions. At the A, 2 reactions HA and RA. At the D and C are the only 1 reactions because of roller support. So DSE, we know the formula is what? R minus the 3. So R is the number of reactions, that is the 4. HA, RA, RD and RC. So 4 minus 3, so that becomes the 1. Then internal static redundancy here DSI, that we know formula is DSI is equal to M minus in bracket 2J minus 3. So here M is equal to 5, AB, BC, CD and the AD, and vertical again the BD. So this M is equal to 5. Then J is equal to 4, A joint, B joint, C joint and the D joint. Then put this value into our formula. DSI is equal to M is equal to 5 minus in bracket 2 into 4 is the joint. So 4 into 2, 8 minus 3. So that becomes a 5. So 5 minus 5, that becomes a 0. So here DSI is equal to 0. It means this structure is a statically determinant for the internally. And here DSE is equal to 1 means this structure is statically indeterminate externally. So total DS is equal to 1 plus 0, that is equal to the 1. Now here this is a frame, here this is a wall A, B, C, this is the wall, here hinge at A, B and the C, and here is a member D here. So these are the member joint at the D from A to D, B to D and C to D. Now here the joint A, joint B and joint C, these are the hinge support. Here the two reactions at the each joint. So DS, that is equal to the formula in bracket M plus R minus 2J. So here M is equal to, but R is equal to 6 because here at A joint is a 2 reactions, at B joint is a 2 reactions, at C joint is a 2 reactions, that is a R is equal to 6. Then M equal to 3, that is AD. Then this is a BD and the CD. So this AB and BC is the not a member, this is the wall. Then joint are the 4, A joint, B joint, C joint and the D joint. So DS is equal to, here put the value, M is equal to 3 plus R is equal to 6 minus 2 into joint is equal to 4. So this gives the DS is equal to 1. It means degree of redundancy for this frame is 1. Thank you.